Are you missing CarPlay and Android Auto on your Honda or Acura? Check it out. This is the 2014 to 2020 Acura RLX Hamilton Upgrade Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a high-quality module custom designed in Raleigh, North Carolina that puts wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto right on your factory screen. We've been selling these for years for our Lexus and Toyota line, and we're thrilled to announce the Honda and Acura line based on the same reliable and time-tested platform. We have over 200 installer shops across the United States, including Lexus and Toyota dealerships, and we hope Honda and Acura soon. With this system, at any time, you can long hold the back button here or the voice speech button on your steering wheel to switch back to your original system, where you've got your navigation and all other of your original factory screens. Long holding that back button will also take us back to CarPlay and Android Auto. This system integrates with your factory radio. That means it's going to use factory Bluetooth to play audio. So for folks who have higher trim option packages for audio, it's going to preserve all of their options. As well, you'll also have access to your XM, FM, and AM radio, or for folks still using CDs, your CD player too. When you're streaming music from your phone, whether it's Pandora, Apple Music, the Sirius XM app, or otherwise, navigation will be able to play out of all of your car speakers, and Siri will talk out of your car speakers as well. We can trigger Siri with a quick press of the voice speech button. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently cloudy and 56 degrees. Today's high is 57, and the low will be 50.
This car really looks new again. It's so cool to see. Coming over here, this is one of my favorite features about CarPlay. It's the split screen view, where you can see your navigation next to your Now Playing and any urgent notifications. This wheel feels very factory and seamless, scrolling through all of the CarPlay features. You can see here, this is your widgets view. And any app that has a CarPlay component is going to automatically show up here in CarPlay. So if there's certain apps like streaming platforms you use or things you listen to on a daily basis, if it has a CarPlay component, it'll automatically show up here. We've designed this system to seamlessly integrate with your factory reverse system. Switching into reverse brings up the backup camera, and back to park or drive will bring us right back into Apple CarPlay. We back all of our systems with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We also have a really talented tech support team based here in Raleigh, North Carolina, with folks who have worked at Apple and other high-level institutions, ensuring that we can offer you the best support in the industry. Our team has built a Hamilton Motor Company Help Center that's full of important resources and information. I would encourage you to check it out if you have any questions. HamiltonMotorCompany.com Help Center. Of course, you can also give us a call at 919-858-2890. We're going to have a full installation video on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out. We design our kits with DIYers in mind, and we have all kinds of folks working on their cars. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. It's what we're here for. I'll see you in the next video.